some properties, and my darling assistant has fallen asleep. I'm trying to teach her, but it won't work like this if she is sleeping. My family, top of the day, top of the hour, whatever it is for you on this beautiful day in Westville, New Jersey. If you don't know who you're already tuned into, big things. You tuned into the Corinne Chronicles. We are always looking to grow, always looking to grow, always looking for bigger and better, and looking to increase sales in real estate. So this year's goal is to get to 10 million before the end of the year. We're in September. We've got three more months left before the quarter is gone. So my goal is to get $10 million worth of real estate under contract before the year is out. Big and brighter and better. So what does that mean? That means we're doing it bigger, we're doing it better, we're doing it brighter, stronger, longer, more money. I've got a client who actually found this property themselves. We're at 805 Ramapo Way in the beautiful Westville, New Jersey. So my client actually found this house himself, and he has been harassing me, go get a video, because he's in California. So the client, John, said, Sharice, go get a video of this beautiful house, and then let's make a decision. We'll make it one. We are at 805 Ramapo Way. It's a cute little house. List price, I believe, $1.8 million. As you know, my darling assistant, Kenzie, she will be with me until she starts her new school in January. Yes, we're on the wait list. So she goes with me pretty much everywhere. But she's sleeping right now, so we're going to sneak into this house really quickly and show you this property. And hopefully it's right for John. I couldn't even find the lockbox. I'm supposing this beautiful home. Yes, that's my car over there. Let's go find the lockbox. She said it's in the front. This would be considered the front. So, let's check it out. Just walking in the front. We're gonna go around the first floor first, and then I'll take you upstairs. So this is really cool. Drink, anyone? you. Love it. Love it. The paintings. Love. So I just want to show you the pool area, which is magnificent. And it didn't get to show you that area of the house. Look at this. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous. How deep is this? 8? How deep is this? At least 8 feet. Wow, this is beautiful. I got your foot. Yep, that's nice and warm. Beautiful. The whole area is like so foresty. Just look at this. Look at the grill. Just gorgeous. If you can't imagine yourself in this pool, I don't know what you can imagine. So what happens is at these construction sites, it's like literally a liability to allow individuals to walk through who have no relationship with the builder. So it's being a little iffy on showing it, but it's all good. We will keep it pushing on to the next house. My client wants me to show him about 3. So that last house we just left out of was obviously really, really dated. Beautiful framework. But that house needs a good, that house I would say needs probably a good 100,000 in updates. Based on just the caliber, I'd redo the entire kitchen and the entire dining room area, as well as upgrading the basement and some other things in the bedroom. Just a lot of like visual. So I'd say 100,000 at that house easy, but let's keep it pushing to the next house as I hear my assistant whining in the background. So we'll move on to the next house. So this is a buddy of mine's listing. It is a cute 1 family. I believe this one has 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, I want to say. So we're going to navigate our way in the dirt, obviously. And we are going to check and look at all the new construction next door. A 2-car garage. Hi! I love this. I thought I loved it because I thought it was the doors that you just press. Maybe they don't have the handles there. Let's check it out. Entryway. Hi, I'm just checking out the house. Obviously the finishes are not, and yet we're here in the rough. But this is going to be absolutely gorgeous. Look at this countertop. Countertops, but it's going to be beautiful. Oh my gosh, lots of cabinetry. The wine rack. Oh, this is beautiful. I absolutely adore all of the cabinet space. Just look at all. Oh my god, I'm in love. Look at all of the cabinets. This is just absolutely fabulous. Microwave drawer. Look at this beautiful deep sink. Hello, my faucet. In this backyard is going to be something else too. But look at my sink. Everyone uses my designs, I swear. Okay, so I don't own a design, but I've been using it in all of my houses, and now everyone else is using it. Look how deep this sink is. I just want to put my whole body in there. Imagine these countertops with this type of countertop. Oh my god. The stove is going there. But I am just so impressed by all the cabinets. Okay, so this is the dining room area. There's a fireplace, so this is beautiful. This is gonna be the sliding door right out into the backyard. This is a lot more modern, a lot more new, a lot more my client's speed. Shall we go down first and then up? Let's go and see what you said. Okay. So, okay, so making so this is beautiful. So there's a full bathroom here. Gorgeous. This is gonna be gorgeous. Still not done with the basement, but this is obviously gonna be. Look how large this room is. That's big. That's big. Sorry about the noise, but I can already tell this is more my client's speed. Everything is new, bright, shiny, white. We love it. The white with the gray, classic. Let's check out upstairs. Hey! Beautiful. Would this be the master? This is a huge master. I love it. Oh yes, this is going to be the master with the walk-in closet. This is the master, right? Master. Beautiful. Let me just look at how big the bathroom is. Big bathroom. Okay, a huge master bedroom. You can't see everything now, but you can tell that this is something else. And look at the third floor. Nice big attic space. Well, actually it's a suite because it's got a full bathroom up here as well too. Wow, this is really nice. This is 5 bedrooms. This house is huge. Another double door closet. The double door closet. Another double door closet. So whoever gets up here is getting a total suite area. Like sweet. It's really something else because from the outside it no way looks as big. When you get inside, this thing is 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. Beautiful. Can't wait to see this finished. So guys, just wrapping up. We're back. We've got some paperwork to do. Of course, we can't look at luxury houses all day. It'd be beautiful if we could. My assistant and I. So I mean, look, you saw the houses just like we did. I mean, it's obvious if my client is going to go for new, we're going to go for number 2. But I honestly like the charm of number 3, and it just needs a little bit of updating. So, I mean, doing it big, you got to think big, think vision, think creative. So I'm going to put all these thoughts into my buyer's head, and hopefully he will make the right decision. But stick around. You know the story. I love you guys to pieces. If you don't already subscribe, you know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think of those homes. Would you buy them? Would you get it? Which one would you take? 1, 2, or 3? Stick around. This season is going to be fabulous. I absolutely adore you guys, and I cannot wait to share some of the things that we're doing this season, okay? Love you guys.